We feel excited to be a part of the NIT and obviously had a goal of advancing into the NCAA tournament, but in falling short of that, we're certainly honored to be a part of such a prestigious tournament.
Start off with Chip Towers from the Atlanta Journal-Constitution.
Coach, I actually wanted to ask you about J.J. Frazier a little bit. We've seen him obviously get better all year long, but it seems he's developed considerably down the stretch out in the SEC tournament late in the year. Was there something that clicked with him? Was there a meeting? It seems like he's playing with a lot more confidence and certainly playing better.
Well, I would agree he's playing much better. I think what J.J. probably experienced is what most high school players run into when they go to college. There's a certain way that he played that made him a good player in high school, and when you go to college, you just can't play exactly the same way because you're playing against better players, against different types of defenses. I think that it took him a while to adjust. I think he finally understands what's required defensively. He's improved there. I think he's thinking the game and recognizing situations on the floor much better than he did earlier in the year. And he just had the normal freshman growing pains, and I think that he still probably has some more of those in front of him. But he's made great progress and has played very well as of late.